Move. Okay, here. Step. That's a good one. Backhand. Okay, up. Back. Up. Move. Higher. Go. Higher. Okay. Up. Up. Okay. Up. Higher over above your shoulders. See, that's a good. Backhand also above your shoulder. Above your shoulders. Up. Good, James. That's a bit furthermore from your arm from your body. Backhand arm far away from your body. Yeah, that's good, and above your shoulders. Okay, backhand far away from your body and up. Okay, that's the perfect one. Okay, that's a backhand the same. That's the perfect one. That's the backhand far away from your body and up. Okay. Last one, backhand, perfect one, James. Okay.